Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the Define Classification Tools function in LiDAR360. In the LiDAR360 main interface, go to the menu bar at the top. You can find this function in the classification page by click the left bottom corner arrow. When you hover over it, Custom Class Setting will appear. Click to open it. In the pop-up window, you will see a list displaying the classification model trained by Classify by Custom Deep Learning. You can click the Add button to create a new custom classification function by the trained model. In the pop-up window, you can name the classification function, select an appropriate icon, and choose the path of the classification model. Decide whether this classification model will be used for point cloud classification or image classification. Once set, click OK to complete the setup. You'll see the newly defined classification function in the previous window. You can also see it on the toolbar. That's the entire process for custom deep learning classification. Thanks for watching.